Something unusual is happening in gun stores. The safest, most predictable releases are not the only guns drawing attention. Shooters are chasing redesigned classics, factory-compensated carry pistols, bargain ARs, and even a nearly $1,000 .22. This countdown explains the features driving that interest, the trade-offs advertisements skip, and why the final gun may be the smartest value of the entire group. Stay to number 1 before choosing your next purchase. Number 10. Glock 19 Gen 6. The biggest name comes first because this one needs no warm-up. Glock did not reinvent the G19, it finally attacked complaints owners have repeated for years. The Gen 6 frame gets a deeper trigger guard undercut, enlarged beaver tail, palm swell, bilateral thumb rests, and new RTF6 texture. Early testing describes that texture as noticeably grippier than Gen 5 without feeling like sandpaper. The trigger is now flat-faced, the magazine well is moderately flared, and every standard Gen 6 arrives optics ready. The redesigned optic cut sits deeper in the slide and ships with 3 adapter plates covering several popular footprints. The familiar core remains, 9mm, 4.02-inch barrel, and a standard 15-round magazine. The reason buyers care is simple. It still fits the G19 role, carry, range, duty, or nightstand, but asks for fewer immediate upgrades. The catch? The trigger still feels recognizably Glock, and some older internal parts are incompatible. This is evolution, not magic, but dependable evolution sells. Number 9. Heckler & Koch VP9A1X. HK took the long route to an obvious answer. Combine the compact slide people like carrying with a full-size grip people shoot better. That is the VP9A1X. Its 4.09-inch barrel and compact length slide ride over a full grip accepting 17 and 20-round magazines. The A1 frame removes the original finger grooves, adds a flared magwell, and uses interchangeable back straps and side panels for dozens of grip combinations. The controls remain fully ambidextrous, including HK's paddle magazine release. A nickel Teflon-coated trigger bar helps produce a smoother pull and a cleaner reset. Every X is optics ready, and the standard model pairs a tritium front sight with a serrated black rear. Why the rush? It lands in the Goldilocks zone. Enough grip for control, serious capacity, and less slide to carry all day. The downside is the HK tax. The optics-ready model starts around $1,000, and optic plates may cost extra. Still, this is the updated VP9 many shooters wanted from the beginning. Number 8. Canik Prime Radian. This is what happens when a factory pistol arrives wearing upgrades owners normally order 6 months later. The Prime Radian starts with Canik's Medi MC9 Prime platform, then adds a Radiant ramjet barrel and aluminum backstrap and magwell system. It holds 17+1 rounds, weighs 24.7 ounces, uses a 3.83-inch barrel, and remains compact enough for concealed carry. Night vision tritium sights come standard, the slide accepts RMSC pattern optics, the trigger is flat-faced aluminum, and the package includes multiple backstraps, 2 magazines, tools, a hard case, and an inside-the-waistband holster. A recent test measured the trigger at about 4.4 pounds. It had noticeable travel and some creep before the break, but the reset was short and distinct. That matters. It is fast and refined, but not a weightless competition trigger pretending to be a carry trigger. Buyers are responding to the bundle. The expensive barrel and comp system, magwell, night sight, and optic cut are already there. It looks custom and avoids the aftermarket scavenger hunt. Number 7. Marlin Model 1894 Trapper. Now the list swerves from polymer and red dots to stainless steel, black laminate, and a lever, yet the buying logic is surprisingly modern. This Model 1894 Trapper chambers 44 Magnum, carries 8 rounds in its tube, and can hold 9 rounds of 44 Special. Its 16.1-inch cold hammer forged barrel is threaded 5/8 by 24. Skinner sights provide a receiver-mounted peep, while an oversized lever loop leaves room for gloved hands. At 33.25 inches overall and 6.3 pounds, the rifle is short, handy, and weather-resistant. The stainless receiver, lever, and trigger guard plate are machined from forgings, while laminate furniture stays stable in wet or cold conditions. The appeal is bigger than cowboy nostalgia. It is a compact woods rifle that accepts modern muzzle accessories while keeping traditional handling. The honest drawback is price. Suggested retail is $1,599. That is serious money for a lever gun, but this configuration combines durability, portability, and old-school charm unusually well. Number 6. Ruger Harrier. The Harrier may be the latest glamorous rifle here, and that is exactly why it is getting attention. Ruger built this 5.56 NATO AR around a 16.1-inch barrel, mid-length gas system, free-floated handguard, 70-75 aluminum receivers, and a nitride-finished bolt carrier group. The base model uses an M4-style stock and partial top rail for $699. The $749 version adds Magpul furniture and a continuous Picatinny rail. A hands-on test ran 200 rounds of .223 and 5.56 through the rifle straight from the box without a feeding or ejection failure. It also ran suppressed and unsuppressed and delivered useful accuracy at 50 and 100 yards. There are no boutique surprises. The trigger is mil-spec, controls are not ambidextrous, and sights are not included, but the lower has a tension screw to reduce receiver play, and the barrel is threaded, and the handguard provides plenty of M-lock space. This is the blue-collar choice, a major brand AR that works immediately and leaves money for an optic and ammunition. Number 5. GeForce Arms Jawbone. Here's the oddball that makes people stop scrolling. The Jawbone is technically a 9mm semi-automatic pistol, but visually it lives between a compact pistol caliber carbine and a movie prop. It uses a 5-inch threaded barrel, measures 20.75 inches overall, weighs 5 pounds, and feeds from Glock-compatible magazines. Capacity is an attention-grabbing 33+1 rounds. The charging handle and magazine release are ambidextrous. A full-length Picatinny rail runs across the top, and the gun includes an Ace of Brace paddle-style brace. Price is the real shock, $469. That explains the curiosity. American manufacturer, Glock mag compatibility, unusual styling, and enormous capacity for less than many ordinary carry pistols. But this entry needs a reality check. GeForce's product page still shows no customer reviews, so the independent long-term reliability record is immature. It ships without sights, and 5 pounds is hardly featherweight. Buyers should verify current brace and state rules before ordering. The Jawbone sells the promise of affordable fun and versatility. Time must prove the rest. Number 4. Beretta B22 Jaguar Metal Competition. A $969 .22 sounds ridiculous, right until the parts list starts adding itself up. Beretta developed the B22 Jaguar Metal Competition with the Scholastic Action Shooting Program and Tandem Cross. It arrives as a factory rimfire race gun, not a basic plinker wearing fancy paint. The 5¼ inch threaded barrel carries a Tandem Cross Steam Demon compensator. An accelerator thumb ledge helps index the support hand. The semi-flat trigger allows pre-travel and over-travel adjustment. 3 grip sizes are included, and a full-length 1913 rail is ready for an optic. Dual-side ejection ports and an ambidextrous safety permit right or left hand configuration. It weighs 36.4 ounces and ships with 2 15-round magazines. During a 2026 range preview, one tester fired roughly 100 rounds without a malfunction and described it as flat and fast on steel. The price remains the objection, but competitive rimfire shooters routinely buy a pistol and then replace half of it. Beretta's gamble is that some would rather open one box and start racing. Number 3. CVA Cascade Rimfire XT. After that expensive .22 pistol, this rifle feels almost suspiciously sensible. The Cascade Rimfire XT is a Spanish-designed bolt-action .22 LR with an 18-inch threaded barrel, a factory-installed 2-piece Picatinny rail, and a 10-round rotary magazine compatible with standard Ruger 1022 magazines. That magazine decision is the quiet genius. Owners are not trapped hunting for a rare proprietary box whenever they want a spare. The XT adds a tungsten Cerakote finish, olive drab stock with black web texturing, oversized bolt knob, and quick detach sling points. It weighs 4 pounds 12 ounces, measures 35.5 inches overall, and carries a $399 suggested retail price. That makes it easy to handle, inexpensive to feed, and useful for training, plinking, and small game work where legal. Nothing here is revolutionary. It is simply a smart collection of features shooters use. Common magazines, optic mounting, a threaded muzzle, low weight, and weather-resistant finishing. Sometimes the gun that sells is the one creating the fewest future annoyances. Number 2. Charter Arms Boomer 9mm. The Boomer looks like somebody deleted everything from a revolver that could snag, shine, or pretend to be a target sight. This 9mm version uses a 2-inch tapered barrel with twin upward-facing ports intended to reduce muzzle flip. The hammer is concealed, the top strap uses a shallow sighting trench, and there is no traditional front blade. Capacity is 5 rounds. The stainless steel revolver weighs 24 ounces, measures 6 inches, and lists a little above $530. That smooth profile explains the interest. It is compact, simple, and shaped for deep concealment without a hammer spur waiting to catch clothing. But the design creates its trade-off. This is not a bullseye revolver. The sighting system is minimal, capacity is limited, and barrel ports produce blast and flash near the shooter. These ports also deserve extra caution during close retention training. The Boomer is popular because it refuses to be everything everything. It is a specialized close-range carry revolver for buyers valuing snag-free simplicity over capacity, optics, or gentle manners. Number 1. Gerson Witness 2311 CMXX. The number one surprise is not the cheapest gun, it delivers an expensive-looking feature set without entering true luxury pistol pricing. The Witness 2311 CMXX is a compensated double-stack 1911-style pistol offered in 9mm, 10mm, and 45 ACP. Capacity is 17 plus 1 in 9mm, 15 plus 1 in 10mm, and 11 plus 1 in 45. All three use a 4.25-inch bull barrel system with an integrated compensator. The lightened design is cut for RMSC pattern optics. There is a full accessory rail, aggressive grip texture, fiber optic front sight, ambidextrous thumb safety, and black Cerakote finish. Most controversially, Gerson deletes the traditional grip safety and substitutes an automatic firing pin block. That will irritate purists, but may appeal to shooters wanting 1911-style controls without worrying about perfectly depressing a grip safety. The steel frame and compensator also favor fast range and competition use, although its dimensions remain carry-oriented. Starting around $1,149, it is not cheap, but compared to many compensated double-stack 1911s, it looks disruptive. That is why it earns number 1. Which of these 10 deserves your money, and which one is mostly clever marketing? Drop your pick below. For more honest countdowns, new gun breakdowns, and buying advice without the brochure nonsense, subscribe to Guns You Can't Live Without right now.